I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Facebook ads work. To begin, Facebook ads allow businesses to connect with a highly specific audience across its family of apps. The platform leverages extensive data on demographics, interests, and behaviors to ensure your message reaches the right people. Advertisers participate in an auction system, bidding for optimal ad placements. These ads can appear on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and even third-party apps through the Audience Network, offering broad reach for your campaigns. One of the most powerful aspects of Facebook advertising is its precision targeting. You can define your audience by demographics like age, gender, and location. Furthermore, target individuals based on their interests, such as specific hobbies or brands they follow, and even their online behaviors. For greater accuracy, create custom audiences from your existing customer lists or website visitors. You can then expand your reach with lookalike audiences, finding new people similar to your best customers, ensuring your message resonates effectively. At the core of Facebook ads is a sophisticated auction system that determines which ads are shown to which people. This auction is influenced by three main factors: your bid, the estimated action rates, and the overall quality of your ad. Your bid represents how much you are willing to pay for a desired outcome, like a click or a conversion. Estimated action rates predict the likelihood of a user taking that desired action. Ad quality considers relevance, engagement, and user experience, all crucial for your ad's success. Facebook offers a wide array of ad formats and placements to suit various campaign objectives. You can choose from engaging options like image, video, carousel, and collection ads, each designed to capture attention. These ads can be strategically placed in Facebook and Instagram feeds, stories, and reels, and within Messenger. The Audience Network further extends your reach to thousands of third-party apps and websites, ensuring your message reaches a broad and diverse audience wherever they spend their time online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.